How to log into Facebook without email and phone number. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recover your Facebook account without email or phone number. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook, and you're most probably on this login page. You don't even have to enter your email address or anything. Just tap on forgotten password. Now you will be prompted to add your mobile number, or you can search your ID by email instead. Now to find your account, you just have to type in your email address first and tap on continue. Now if you don't find your account here, what you need to do is open up Google Chrome and search for Facebook Help Center. Now tap on the first link you see and wait for it to load. So the first thing Facebook will suggest you is to reset your password, but if you think your account was hacked, go ahead and tap on this. And here you can see you can choose any options that's suitable for you. Tap on next, and from here you can secure your account. So wait for it to do its thing. Once the scanning process is complete, you just have to wait for it. Now, to keep your account secure, you have to change your password, review your email address, and all of these on-screen instructions. So if you have to enter your current password, just enter it right here, and you can reset your password from here. And after that, you should be able to log into your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.